PCB West is the ideal event definitely for electronics engineers because all the industry experts and companies are here.
I think at PCB West there's just a wide variety of people. I've been talking to PCB fabricators, material suppliers, OEMs, large and small. Really have a great opportunity to talk to a wide range of people about PCB design.
There's a lot of technical sessions where experts are going to share with you knowledge of best practices that when you know these, you can apply these as you go back and have a greater benefit to your organization.
You will learn virtually every aspect of circuit development and printed circuit design that engineers and board designers need to know to be able to complete projects that accomplish all the goals: manufacturability, circuits that function, and the ability to get cost-effective product out the door.
PCB West helps me by reinforcing that relationship. They know me personally, they're willing to trust me, and if something goes wrong or they come with a complaint, they know I can fix it.
Attending PCB West is an amazing opportunity to allow you to do your job that much better. Why? Because your return on investment, it starts with you. What are you going to take, what golden nuggets you're going to take from here and go back to your ecosystem and then apply what you learn.